Hi, my name is Reynold. In this video, pag-usapan naman natin yung ranking, no? Rank and advancement dito sa Livegood. Ayan, para ma-access mo yung yung page na paano mag-rank dito sa Livegood. Dito sa dashboard mo, no? Pwede kang pumunta rito sa pay plan. Ayan, click mo yung pay plan. Tapos andito siya. Scroll down mo lang. By the way, ito nga pala yung yung affiliate compensation plan. Ayan. Kung medyo hindi mo naiintindihan yung 6 ways to earn with Livegood, basahin mo lang to. Pero para makita mo yung rank and advancement, scroll down mo lang. Andito siya. Under Crown Diamond Pool. Click mo lang to. Click here for details on rank advancement. Or pwede ka rin pumunta rito, livegood.com/rank qualifications. So pagka bago ka sa Livegood, syempre unrank ka, wala ka pang rank, wala ka pang na-refer o na-invite. Ayan, yung bronze, pag may na-refer ka na, at least dalawa, bronze ka na. Ayan, bronze. Ang silver naman, nakalagay dito na, must have 10 personally enrolled active members plus a total of 20 active members on your team. Ibig sabihin, yung sarili mong invite, at least 10. Tapos yung mga invite mo, may mga invite din sila, at least nag-total ng 20. Yung total sa mga team mo, silver ka na. Or, kung di ka naman, wala ka naman 10 personally enrolled active members, pero meron kang 3 separate enroller 3 legs with each a bronze rank. Yan. Ibig sabihin, let's say may tatlo kang invite na bronze sila, at least tatlo, no? Tapos meron ka ring 20 active members in your team, bronze ka na rin. So, 2 ways, no? Para maging silver. You either have 10 personally enrolled active members, yung directly sa'yo, no? Tapos 20 total. Or, ayan, ito yung isang paraan, meron kang 3 separate enroller 3 legs with a bronze rank, pero 20 pa rin yung total na kasama doon sa team. So, 2 ways, no? 10 personally enrolled, total of 20, 3 separate enroller 3 legs with bronze. Ibig sabihin, naka-bronze sila. Tapos, may 20 sa team. Ayan, pag na-reach mo yon, silver ka na. Sa gold naman, must have 30 personally enrolled active members plus a total of 100 active members in your enroller 3. Yan. So parang yung sa silver din, no? Pinalitan lang to. Yung 10 kanina, ginawang 30. Yung 20 kanina, ginawang 100. Gold ka na. Yan. Or 3 separate 3 legs. Ito naman, pinalitan lang din, no? Yung kaninang silver, yung kanina sa silver, kailangan meron kang bronze. Ngayon dito naman sa gold, kailangan meron kang at least tatlong silver. Pero total pa rin is 100 active members in your team. Or, ito, 100 active members in your enroller 3 with no more than 30 counting from any individual enroller 3 leg. Yan. So, pwede rin yan, ha? Dito naman sa platinum, yung kanina sa gold, 30. Dito naman, 100 personally enrolled. Tapos ang total is 500 active members in your enroller 3 team. Or 3 separate enroller 3 legs with the gold rank. So parang yung kanina rin, no? Pinalitan lang dito. Kailangan may tatlo kang gold. Pero yung total active members pa rin sa team mo is 500. Or 500 active members in your enroller 3 team with no more than 150 counting from any individual enroller 3 leg. So pag na-reach mo yan, platinum ka na. Ito naman yung diamond, no? Must have 3 separate enroller 3 legs with the platinum rank. So kailangan mo ng 3 platinum. Plus a total of 2,500 members in your team. So yung mga diamond natin, may mga diamond tayong mga kababayan. Ayan, ibig sabihin nun, meron na silang at least tatlong platinum rank affiliate. Tapos may total na 2,500 active members sa mga team nila. Or 2,500 active members in your enroller tree team with no more than 500 counting from any individual enroller tree leg. Ito na yung pinakahuli. Crown Diamond must have a total of 50,000 members on your team with no more than 10,000 counting from any individual enroller tree leg. Take note that active members are members who have an active membership for the current month. So ito yung rank and advancement. Yan. So pwede mo rin siyang puntahan sa livegood.com/rank qualifications. Thank you for watching. My name is Reynold. Please follow for more videos.